Here we go.
National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, southwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, east central Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, southern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Chester County
That's
in
funny.
upstate South Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern
That one
Daylight
went off for a
Time.
watch.
At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Spartanburg, or near Pacolet, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Pacolet, Jonesville, Pacolet Mills, Lockhart, Sharon, Cross, Lockhart, Sharonsburg, Sarrett, Bullock Creek, and Pauline. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Spartanburg, Union, and York.
Alright, guys. See y'all guys later.